Budgeting can be tricky, especially when it comes to your technology. While you never know what new software you may want to invest in, hardware can be more predictable. Aside from theft or accidental damage, the life expectancy of devices should be easy to plan for. There are 5 key questions to help you create an accurate hardware budget. Number 1. What hardware will need an upgrade or replacement? Remember, as a rule, you should be working on a 3 to 5 year life cycle for computers. Number 2. What are your plans for growth? And could this be limited if you stay with the same hardware? Number 3. How critical is the hardware? What would be the impact on your business if you suffered downtime due to aging hardware slowing down? Number 4. What's the risk to your security if you stick with older hardware? And number 5. How will replacement hardware increase efficiency and reduce downtime? Answer these 5 questions correctly, and your hardware budget will almost write itself. They're easier to answer with your technology partner. Can we help you analyze your existing hardware and plan ahead? Let's talk.